I don't know what the that was.
So we're about to put on the AWB track exhaust. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but it should be a pretty easy install. I believe what we're gonna do first is gonna put the jack stands on the front of the car and back it up on ramps. So that should give us enough room to work under the car.
Frank List with the hits.
It's gonna be cold. I'm about to be a menace to society. Menace to society. My whole neighborhood is gonna hear me.
It's still on that side? Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah. That bitch is falling. That wasn't too bad. That probably look easy. One fat ass muffler. So when they do a muffler, they delete. What they take these off?
Yeah, and they just do a three pipe.
You wanna get the front pipe out next?
Yeah, I'm gonna just line this up.
All right, bet.
Like that. So you do got a resonator.
Yeah.
A little small. This motherfucker. No fucking way, bro.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
With ease, bro. Yo said, bro.
What angle did he put it in?
He did it this way.
What?
Yo, somehow, some fucking way, somehow, some way, this motherfucker, like these, somehow, some way. Ain't no fucking way, bro. Ain't no fucking way. Yo, like it's right here, yo. No, he didn't move it like at least I'm broken on this side. What you talking about? Like, we don't need you. We don't fucking need you. Bitch. Team thing.
It's a NoSolution thing. This for the people. This ain't for me. Think I got the car for me? Or you get it for you? The people.
Imagine. For family.
For family.
But what's real is family.
And I might get the conversion kit to get the 3-tip, just in case I might not want to do the dual one, but we'll see. So that was the old exhaust right there, and this is the new one. So we're gonna start it up, make sure there's no leaks, make sure everything's good, and then we're gonna turn it on and see how it sounds. I definitely like the sound of it. It has like a nice little deep growl, but I'm gonna record some flybys so you can definitely hear it like with the intake. And, yeah.
Frank List with the hits.
review of the exhaust. I had the exhaust on for about a day now, and honestly, I can say, like, if you want a really good sounding exhaust that doesn't cost like too much, you should definitely check out the AWE track exhaust. Not sponsored, by the way. Hopefully, maybe one day in the future. But yeah, it has a lot of pops and burbles. Definitely like shifting in between gears, especially first to second. Second and third, you get like the most. But if you're cruising a second, you definitely get a lot of pops and burbles. I would say a downside to this exhaust, I guess if you care or not, would be like you get a lot of drone. But you can also get the conversion kit to get the touring exhaust, which lessens the drone a bit. But if I'm cruising in like second or third, high RPM, you definitely get a lot of droning. But honestly, I don't mind it. So if you want like a nice, like rowdy, loud exhaust, this is definitely the one you're probably looking for. I know there's other options out there like MA Performance, and I think I've seen I think Arc or something like that. But it's a lot of different choices, but honestly, I'm very glad I got this. In the future, I'm thinking about maybe getting a 3-tip conversion. And honestly, when it comes to switching to the touring, I think I'm gonna just keep the track exhaust, to be honest. I really like the rowdiness of it, the pops, the burbles. So this exhaust is gonna run you around 800 to 1,000. It just depends on what kind you get. I got the double tip, so mine was around 800. But I know if you get the triple tip conversion and all that stuff, it'll run you a little bit more. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Appreciate everybody for watching. Just make sure you check out our future videos. We're gonna be doing videos involving everyone's car, you know, mods, dumb little vlogs of us doing stupid shit. Like, it's gonna be pretty cool, and hopefully we're gonna keep this rolling, and you know, yeah, it's gonna be dope. See y'all later.
On the camera right now, y'all didn't want to see over there, Dominic is taking pictures, so you know you'll probably see that content soon on one of our Instagram pages. And yeah, like you said, content coming out soon. Each one of our cars, we're gonna definitely go more in depth. We're gonna get a car tour going on, and hey man, keep following us, keep subscribing, keep liking, comment anything y'all want to know about the cars, anything. But like I said,
Any questions y'all got,
we gonna do a Q&A. We gonna try to keep it going, guys. We're gonna make sure we do some good content, and yeah, we doing this for y'all, so tell us what y'all want to see.